Imagine a world where learning is easier, faster, and even more enjoyable. Whether you're trying to excel in school, advance in your career, or pick up a new hobby, learning faster is a game changer. In today's video, I'll reveal powerful science-backed techniques that can help you learn quickly, retain information better, and make your journey more enjoyable. Stick around to unlock the secrets to supercharging your learning. Let's start with a quick question. Why does learning faster matter? We live in a world where new skills and knowledge are essential to keep up with rapid changes. People who can learn quickly have a huge advantage. They adapt faster, innovate, and thrive in any field they choose. Imagine what you could achieve if you could pick up skills and knowledge in half the time it normally takes. Tip number 1. Set SMART goals. Our first tip is to set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's easy to say, I want to get better at math, but it's much more effective to say, I want to solve 10 algebra problems in under an hour by the end of this month. Specific goals make it easier to stay focused and track your progress, which can be incredibly motivating. When your goals are clear, you can prioritize what's important and make more efficient progress. This clarity is a big step toward learning faster. Tip number 2. Use the 80-20 rule. The next powerful strategy is the 80-20 rule or the Pareto principle. This rule suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Let's say you're learning a language. Focus first on the most common words and phrases that cover the basics. By identifying the key areas that give the biggest payoff, you can learn the essentials faster and expand from there. Tip number 3. Active recall for deep learning. Active recall is a game changer for anyone looking to learn faster. Instead of passively reading or watching material, test yourself as you go. For instance, if you're studying history, read a section and then pause to ask yourself, what were the main events? This technique strengthens memory pathways by forcing your brain to retrieve the information. Studies have shown that active recall is one of the most effective ways to retain information. Use flashcards, quizzes, or simply ask yourself questions about the material. It's all about actively engaging with what you're learning. Tip number 4. Spaced repetition for long-term retention. Moving on to tip number 4, spaced repetition. If you're ever crammed for a test and forgot everything the next day, you'll appreciate this technique. The idea is to review material at intervals that gradually get longer over time. For example, if you study something today, review it tomorrow, then in a few days, and then a week later. Apps like Anki and Quizlet make spaced repetition easy by automatically scheduling reviews based on how well you know each item. This approach solidifies your memory and reduces forgetting over time. Tip number 5. Use multisensory learning. People often learn best when they use multiple senses, seeing, hearing, speaking, and even moving. For example, if you're trying to remember vocabulary, write the words, say them loud, and use them in a sentence. Combining these methods reinforces your memory and can help you understand material more deeply. Visual learners might benefit from diagrams or drawings, while auditory learners might prefer to listen to recordings or explain the concepts out loud. Find ways to use as many senses as possible, and you'll retain information better. Tip number 6. Teach what you have learned. One of the best ways to deepen your understanding is by teaching what you have learned. Explaining something in your own words forces you to process it in a way that makes sense to you. If you're able to teach a concept, that's a sign that you truly understand it. This technique works whether you're teaching a friend, a study group, or even just explaining it out loud to yourself. Teaching turns passive learning into active learning, and it works wonders for boosting your confidence and memory. Tip number 7. Break it down with the Pomodoro technique. Next up is a time management method called the Pomodoro technique. This involves studying in focus, 25 minutes bursts with short breaks in between. Research shows that our brains are wired to focus in short intervals. So, breaking your study time into these chunks keeps your mind fresh and engaged. After a few Pomodoro sessions, take a longer break to recharge. This technique reduces fatigue, enhances concentration, and makes long study sessions feel more manageable. Tip number 8: visualize success and stay positive. Visualization is an often overlooked tool that can supercharge your learning. Studies show that mentally rehearsing what you're trying to learn can improve your performance. If you're nervous about a presentation, for example, take a moment to visualize yourself speaking confidently and doing well. Positive visualization can reduce anxiety and build confidence. Combine visualization with a positive attitude. Self doubt and stress can slow you down, but when you focus on your progress and celebrate small wins, learning becomes easier and more enjoyable. Tip number 9: fuel your body and mind. Learning isn't just about your mind, your body needs fuel too. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and quality sleep are essential to keep your brain functioning at its best. When you sleep, your brain consolidates what you have learned, so aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain, which boosts focus and mental clarity. Some of the best foods for brain power include leafy greens, nuts, berries, and foods rich in omega 3 fatty acids. Think of this as fuel for your learning journey. Tip number 10: stay curious and embrace the process. Finally, embrace curiosity and enjoy the process. Learning faster is great, but remember that learning itself is a journey. When you're genuinely curious and excited, the process becomes more rewarding. Look for ways to make your learning experience engaging and personal. Challenge yourself, stay open to new ideas, and have fun with it. Curiosity helps us motivated even through tough topics. When you're motivated, learning naturally becomes faster and more enjoyable. These techniques aren't just theories, they're proven strategies to help you learn faster, retain information better, and truly master any skill you set your mind to. Remember, progress is the result of small, consistent steps, so don't rush. Try out these tips, see what works best for you, and make learning an exciting part of your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's keep learning and growing together.